Dear students, welcome back. I'm here with one more problem in accounting for royalties. That is illustration number 10. So let us look out the problem. That is on 1/1/2015, Shivaji Mines Limited leased out of a mine for a minimum rent of rupees 18,000 for first year, rupees 26,000 for the second year, and thereafter rupees 40,000 per annum, merging into a royalty of rupees 2 per ton with the power to recoup short workings over a period of 2 years after the year in which short workings arise. So here they have given the details about the minimum rent in the first year 18,000, second year 26,000, and third year onwards it is 40,000 rupees. And rate of royalty is rupees 2, and if there is any short working, so that can be recovered within a 2 years of the short working arise that particular year from that year. So the working result are as follows. 2015 there is nothing, there was no any production at all. In the year 2016 18,000 tons, in the year 2017 12,000 tons. There was a strike for 3 months. Then 2018 22,000 tons, and in the year 2019 30,000 tons. So the lease provided that in the event of strike the condition of the deed rent was not to apply. The actual royalties earned for the year discharges all rental obligation for that particular year if there is any strike. In the event of strike, so that actual royalty earned only clears all the minimum rented all kinds of obligations will be discharged by the actual royalties only. So here he has asked us to prepare a royalty account, short working account, landlord account in the books of Shivaji Mines Limited. So he has asked us to prepare only 3 ledger accounts. Clear? So now we are supposed to open a analytical table with 10 columns. So open analytical table. Here output, royalty rate, royalty payable, minimum rent, short working, surplus, short working recovered, short working not recovered, and the amount payable. So now let us begin the solution part. In the year 2015, what was output? There was no any output, nil. So what was the royalty rate? 2. So 0 into 2, 0 only. So royalty payable is 0. But minimum rent in the first year 18,000. So mention 18,000 in the minimum rent column. Short working, there is no any royalty payable. So entire amount of minimum rent 18,000 is the short working. Surplus nil, short working recovered nil, short working not recovered nil, amount payable 18,000. So now in the year 2016, 18,000 is the output. Royalty rate is 2 rupees. So 18,000 into 2, 36,000 is the royalty payable, and minimum rent is 26,000 for the second year. So 36,000 is the greater part and the minimum rent is the lesser side. So there is no short working because royalty payable is greater than the minimum rent. So how much is the greater? 10,000. 36,000 minus 26,000. 10,000 is the surplus. So short working recovered 10,000. Short working not recovered nil. So amount payable 26,000 rupees. In the year 2017, 12,000 has been produced. That is 12,000 has been produced. So why 12,000 in the year 2017? If you look at the table, there was a strike for 3 months. So for that he says actual royalty only clears all the obligations. So there is no any adjustment. Then 12,000 into 2, 24,000, that is royalty payable, and that will become a minimum rent due to strike in that year. So there is no short working, there is no surplus, there is no short working, recovered, but there is a short working not recovered, because in this problem they have given only 2 years of time to recoup short working, if any. So total short working in the first year was 18,000. Out of 18,000 in the year 2016, we could able to recover 10,000 rupees. So unrecovered, that is non-recovered, 8,000 should be transferred to short working not recovered. So 8,000 not recovered, and amount payable column was 24,000 rupees. Amount payable column is 24,000 rupees. So next, in the year 2018, actual output 22,000 at the rate of 2 rupees. 44,000 is the royalty payable, and minimum rent from third year onwards was 40,000 rupees. So minimum rent 40,000. So short working no, surplus 4,000. Short working recovery no, non-recover, that is not recovered, nil. Amount payable 44,000 rupees. Next, in the year 2019, 30,000 tons has been produced at the rate of 2. Royalty payable 60,000. So minimum rent 40,000, surplus 20,000. That is royalty payable 60,000, minimum rent 40,000. 60,000 minus 40,000. So that is surplus 20,000. There is no any short working. Short working recovered nil. Short working not recovered nil. Amount payable 60,000 rupees. So we are done with the analytical table. So let us further move towards the minimum rent account. Okay, so because we are supposed to prepare a royalty account, because in the problem he has asked us to prepare directly royalty account, short working account and landlord account. So that is where we are not preparing a minimum rent account in this problem. So directly open a royalty account with 6 column table, date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. So debit side 2015 to minimum rent account nil. 2015 by P&L account nil, because there was no any production had happened. It is a 0. So that is why royalty column is 0 in the analytical table. So here also 0. 2016 to landlord account. So how much produced in the second year? So look at the analytical table and get back. So how much the total production? 36,000. That is royalty payable column, 36,000 rupees. Clear? So to landlord account 26,000, and there was a short working recovery. To short working account 10,000. So both the side total 36,000 and 36,000. 2016 credit side by P&L account 36,000. So next, in the year 2017 to landlord account. So how much the royalties in the third year, that is in the year 2017, 24,000 rupees. Because there was a strike in that year, so directly transfer to landlord account 24,000 and by P&L account 24,000 rupees. So both the side total 24,000 and 24,000. In the year 2018 to landlord account 44,000, because there is no any short working recovery is also not there. So directly whatever we are generated, that we are transferring as a royalty. So to landlord account 44,000, 2018 by P&L account 44,000, both the side total 44,000 and 44,000. In the year 2019 to landlord account 60,000, 2019 by P&L account 60,000, both the side total 60,000 and 60,000. So we are done with the royalty account. So let us open short working account. Date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees with 6 column table. In the year 2015 to minimum rent account 18,000 rupees. 2015 by balance carried down 18,000. Both the side total 18,000 and 18,000. In the year 2016 to balance brought down 18,000. 2016 by royalty account 10,000 and by balance carried down 8,000 rupees. Both the side total 18,000 and 18,000. since in the year 2016 we have recovered 10,000 rupees short working, so that is why royalty account 10,000. So 2017 two balance brought down 8,000. 2017 by P&L account 8,000, both the side total 8,000. Since in the third year we could not able to recoup the short working, so that has been transferred to P&L account. And thereafter in the year 2018 and 2019 there was no any short working, so that is why we have not entered any transaction in the short working account. So we are done with the short working account. So let us move further towards a landlord account. So open a landlord account with 6-column table, that is date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. So 2015 two bank account 18,000 rupees, since that was a minimum rent. So there was a short working of entire 18,000. So credit side 2015 by minimum rent account 18,000 rupees. 2016 two bank account 26,000. 2016 by royalty account 26,000 rupees, because we could able to meet the minimum rent required. So 2017 two bank account 24,000. 2017 by royalty account 24,000, both the side total 24,000. Even though from the third year onwards the minimum rent was 40,000, since there was a strike in that year, and as per the agreement adjustment, he has given an agreement provides that all the obligations will be cleared to the actual royalty. So whatever royalty has been generated, that only clears all the obligations of minimum rent, he said. So that is why two bank account 24,000 by royalty account 24,000, both the side total 24,000 and 24,000. 2018 two bank account 44,000 by royalty account 44,000, because we could able to generate then more than the royalty. So that is 44,000, both the side total. And 2019 two bank account 60,000. 2019 by royalty account 60,000 rupees. So here also we could able to generate more than the minimum rent. So that is by royalty account 60,000 and 60,000. So both the side total 60,000 and 60,000. We are done with the problem. So I'm stopping here. I'll come up with the next problem very soon. Until then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.